Greetings, my name is Matt Warnay. Through the summer undergraduate research in engineering program, I worked under Professor Eric Johnson in the Computational Flow Physics Lab at the University of Michigan. I performed theoretical and computational research on the dynamics of spherical gas bubbles in viscoelastic media. Mathematical formulations of single bubble dynamics in water have been investigated for nearly a century. Recently, there has been a growing interest in the bubble behavior that occurs within viscoelastic materials, including bodily tissue and polymeric fluids. In medicine, for example, predicting cavitation phenomenon within soft tissue can increase the diagnostic safety and the therapeutic applicability of medical ultrasonography. In this work, a detailed set of governing equations were solved to predict the motion of a single gas bubble in an infinite viscoelastic medium. The compressible enthalpy form of the Keller-Mixus equation was used to describe the bubble radius. To avoid the polytropic approximation, PDEs for temperature variation were coupled to the internal bubble pressure. Finally, the surrounding medium was described by a highly generalized constitutive relationship, which in various limits reduced to several common viscoelastic models. A spectral collocation method was implemented to solve the equations in space, while the dormant Prince algorithm was used to perform adaptive time stepping. Solutions were found to converge spectrally, even after integrating through strong collapses. Pictured here is the response of a bubble to a harmonic forcing in a viscoelastic medium. In color are the radial and polar stress distributions in the surrounding medium. For higher forcing amplitudes, the contributions from the thermal and compressible effects become very significant. The thin green curve assumes the medium to be incompressible, while the dashed red curve assumes the bubble contents to be polytropic. The staggering difference between these predictions suggests the importance of incorporating these effects into further study of viscoelastic bubble dynamics. Considerable differences in the bubble response are also observed between the various constitutive models. Such differences are depicted on the left. The right figure shows the results of a parametric study to identify regimes of greatest disagreement between the models. While the current mathematical model would be improved by allowing for non-spherical perturbations, for spherical bubble dynamics, the framework developed herein is ready to be tried against experimental results. Thank you for your time.